Good morning. We're here in Odenton, Maryland, getting ready to do a repair attempt video here for this property. This property has sustained a lot of wind damage, as we can see right here, all the way across. This is a 3-story steep slope roof. We can see one over here. We can see the neighbors as well have a lot of wind damage. So we can see previous repairs here that are not sticking because the roof is quite brittle. Let me take you to the back slope over here. This is the area we're going to do the repair attempt. We have a few wind creases down here. We can see over here. We have a wind crease. Over here, another wind crease. And then I'm going to have help here doing the repair attempt. At the top over here, we have more wind damage as well. We can see across, bunch of wind damage all the way across. Over here, this is where we're going to do the ATR. We can see that we are going to be replacing this course of shingle here, making sure that we keep the shingle above it at a minimum or lower of 45 degrees. This is the claim number. So claim number is 7010116689-1, and we're going to get started with the repair attempt.
Tools I'm going to use is hammer and snake bark. So basically, to do this repair attempt, we're going to remove this shingle right here. We're going to have to break the seal of this right here and this shingle above too. As you can see, the adjuster, although the lateral assistant that inspect this roof, he already had installed an underlayment or a tarp just to mitigate the damage of this right here. I'm gonna remove this. Come closer a little bit. We have some material transfer right here. Some material transfer right here. A little bit of material transfer right here as well. See right there. Going. Yeah, we got more material transfer right here too. Material transfer right there. Okay.
So as you can see here on this shingle, we have a bunch of material transfer at the bottom course as well. Over here, there, all the way across. We can see over here just how brittle and how old the shingle is. The adhesive is transferring from one shingle to the bottom top course. And then before we even put any nails, you can see just from moving the shingle around, there's creases starting to form. You can see just from moving it around. You can see over here as well. Once again, just from lifting it up ever so slightly before 45 degrees, you can see already some creasing starting to happen. Once again, see some creasing up to right here.
As you can see, we don't leave the shingle more than 45 degrees. As you can see, the crease right here, crease right here, crease right here. Look at this, shingle is brittle.
See right here.
You see the crease right there, right there, right there, right there. Shingle is brittle. Keep causing more damage to the shingle around it. Definitely, this roof is not repairable. We got so many damage in the front, damage in the back. It's not repairable. Sorry.
Also, there's material transfer, so it failed due to material transfer and brittleness. Thank you.